Hello and welcome to another update video about Fantom. Fantom is currently following through with the wave count and analysis of the last video. Was yesterday, posted a signal on Discord and Telegram that I'm in favor of a low here, but it's nothing different, than I communicated in the previous video anyway. We've got our support area here with a phenomenal risk to reward or reward to risk ratio. I highlighted, I would find it quite reasonable to at least consider a long position here with a stop below 33 cents, basically below the support area. I now would find it reasonable to move up that stop loss to below this week's low because it's a phenomenal reward to risk ratio. Now again, that's not financial advice, it's only a possible trade setup, just completely generalized. But you can see how I just want to sort of give that sort of education, how to trade Elliott waves, or at least to give you an option how to do it. Because a lot of people don't know how to do it. We've identified with Elliott wave these objective support areas and invalidation points. You can see how relevant that was. It's the 50% retracement. It reacted to it twice and it's now going. Now it's of course too early to say that this is going to rally in a third wave. Target wise, however, if it is, then we're talking here roughly about 1 second. At least it should be 65 cents to here, at least, yeah. And then it leaves the question, is this a so-called 1-2-1-2 setup here in the beginning, sort of after the 10th of March, which would be a very bullish setup, 1-2-1-2, or is it just a larger 1-2 setup? With an A, B, C. It doesn't really matter so much in the short term. The point is support goes down all the way to 34, basically 34 cents. A sustained break below that would make any further upside less likely, would make me favor a much deeper pullback. And I would then assume, and that's the last bullish option we have left, but it's a completely unreliable one, that we are resetting this B wave. The low of the 10th of March would reset that a little bit lower, but because it would be a B wave low, it is completely unreliable. B waves are extremely difficult. So for now, it's starting to look good, but of course it's not enough to confirm that we are already reversing. We will get that knowledge and we will get that clarity if we get the first deeper pullback, okay? And if we're in a first deeper pullback, we make a higher low, that's a really good indication we have bottomed. For now, we are breaking above the 44 cent level. That's a good level to break above. This previous swing high and previous swing lows, a level where we had support before and resistance. So I considered before and talked to you about it in the previous video that a break above 44 cents would be a first indication that we have put a more sustainable bottom in place there. So it's going to be interesting. Now it's a bit of a wait and see. The trend is certainly up. Momentum is up. Volume is still low, but I don't consider volume too much. I find it quite deceptive in crypto. When volume is finally there, then prices already moved 20 to 30%. Yeah, it's typically like that. So yeah, the volume only goes up when the crowd is already there. It's a bit like being late to the party. So yeah, this is sort of the situation on the Fantom chart. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.